Speaking on the sidelines of the ceremony held on Wednesday at the Arthur Chung Conference Center, Minister of Public Health Dr. Frank Anthony told reporters that his ministry is particularly interested in reducing the turnaround time for sample testing from interior locations, which are most affected by COVID-19 presently.
And they'll have those samples there sitting for a week before those can come to Georgetown. And then when it comes to Georgetown, the capacity of the national lab is quite limited. So what we have for the interior area, the turnaround time to know whether somebody is positive is sometimes a week to 9 days. And that is certainly in this pandemic, that is absolutely not good enough.
Pointing to the country's limited testing capacity, Minister Anthony said that the goal is to ensure that at least 500 tests can be conducted on a daily basis.
And we want to build that to be able to deliver at least 300 tests in 24 hours or in a day. And I'm hoping that in the private sector, we can lift their testing capabilities to about 200 tests per day.
He alluded to the outdated equipment at the National Reference Laboratory, which takes approximately 5 to 6 hours to test samples, and stated that they will be replaced. The minister added that his technical team will be conducting an assessment of the construction of the $1.6 billion infectious disease hospital to ensure it is equipped with the necessary equipment and amenities to keep patients safe.
In terms of medical equipment, you would need things like ventilators and all of that. None of that is here. So basically, as I said, we have a shell. And if we are going to be able to utilize that, then we'll have to do some more renovations to put in these things like oxygen and centralized suction and all of that. Plus, we'll have to buy all the equipment in terms of beds, ventilators, the consumables, and a whole host of things.
Additional measures and new policies in response to COVID-19 are expected to be released in the weeks ahead. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.